So today's the day, guys. I'm finally going off-road. About to head right now to Brazos Valley Off-Road Ranch. I'm super excited. I've been waiting like for a few weeks now. We were actually supposed to go last week, but it got rained out, so it got rescheduled to this weekend. And yeah, today's the day. Finally happening. So let's go ahead and do this. So now we're heading out from the meetup spot, and the next stop will be the Brazos Valley Off-Road Ranch, or BVORR, I think is what I heard people starting to call it, BVORR. Anyways, see y'all there. So we're just getting to the park. This is the entrance, and can't wait to actually do some wheeling, get some real off-road action in. So if I haven't said it, I've said it before, but the park is Brazos Valley Off-Road Ranch, and it's here in Bryan, Texas, right outside College Station. So right now we're going to be basically just kind of going around the park, and they're going to show us a little bit of the trails and show us the way the park's laid out, and then we'll split up into a couple of groups depending on the level of difficulty people want to do, and yeah, then we'll split off. But for now it's kind of just getting a tour of the park and seeing how everything is laid out. I got another Tacoma out here. It's exactly like mine. It's a 16 TRD off-road, except his does not have a lift, but he does have some rock sliders. Oh my god, here we go. First time going off-road. So cool. Hey, there's some more back there. There's some more. There's another truck back there. Yeah. Got him? Where did I go? All right, here we go. Whoa, this is pretty steep. Whoa, crazy. Oh my god, that was nuts. This is so crazy. This is my first time, so look at the Tacoma. He actually went off a little bit. Get to this. Tacoma's back there. That's the guy, the same truck as mine. Alright, here I go. What? Oh my god. What? I don't know where I'm going. Crazy. Oh my god, that looks so steep. Oh wow. Now this thing has a pitch and roll that I can see. It tells me how steep I went, but I didn't have it on. I have it on now. I'm at I'm actually kind of have to drive. Can't really see right now. at like 30 degrees right now. Woo! That was nuts. So, to be honest, those parts right there, I didn't think I was gonna make it, man. That was steep. I think I noticed on that little downhill I just went on right now, I was at a 30-degree pitch. So that was pretty nuts. And I'm assuming the part where I went up, I was probably also at a 30-degree pitch. So yeah, the truck is all stock tires, everything stock. The only thing I did was the leveling kit so far. So right now I'm about a 15-10% pitch. This is some off-roading, and that's so cool. Oh my god, 30-degree pitch right here. So for those of you that are curious, I'm in 4 low in first gear. Oh shit, that's gonna scratch the truck. Oh well. So I think I just got some nice little scratches to my truck. Oh well, that's what I bought it for. Definitely getting some more scratches. Oh, it scratched my heart. So right now I was about a 15% roll. Crazy that was. Bottom off the hitch.
You want to make it? A truck just like these two has come up it.
Oh my god, that was nuts. That was like nose down. That was so crazy. That was insane. I thought I was gonna tear the front bumper
Oh my
off.
God. Oh, nice one. I look down, it's a cliff. Oh my God.
You're gonna do a hard driver. You're gonna reverse. You got about 3 more feet that you're gonna have to reverse. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Right there. Now do a hard passenger.
Okay. So I go straight this way? So don't stop, so I'm gonna keep going straight?
Yeah, so right now, creep into the drop. As long as you feel the front right side drop,
Yeah.
then just let it roll.
Let it roll? Let off the brake completely?
No, halfway.
Okay. Keep going straight?
Yeah. Alright, passenger.